Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get time on your home screen. To begin, simply long press any empty space on your home screen. This action will bring up a customization menu at the bottom of your display. From there, you will want to tap on the Widgets option. Next, scroll through the various widget categories until you find the clock section. Once you've found the clock category, you'll see several different styles to choose from. You can pick an analog clock, a digital display, or even a world clock to show multiple time zones. After making your selection, simply drag and drop the widget onto the exact spot you want it on your home screen. You can then resize it by pulling on its edges to fit perfectly. After placing your clock widget, you can often customize its appearance further. Just tap on the clock itself to open its individual settings. Here, you might find options to change the background color, adjust the font style, or even modify its transparency. Some clocks also allow you to enable or disable the date display or show the seconds, giving you full control over its look. If you encounter any issues, first ensure there's enough empty space on your home screen for the widget. Sometimes, a simple device restart can resolve minor glitches if the clock isn't appearing or functioning as expected. Also, it's a good idea to check your device's system settings for any specific permissions related to widgets, ensuring they are enabled for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.